Factor of 3 of 384. So 384, it can be written as 2 times 192. 2 times 192 means 384. 192, it can be written as 2 times 96. 2 times 96 means 192. Now 96, it can be written as 2 times 48. 2 times 48 means 96. 48, it can be written as 2 times 24. 2 times 24 means 48. 24, it can be written as 2 times 12. 2 times 12 means 24. Now 12, it can be written as 2 times 6. 2 times 6 means 12. 6, it can be written as 2 times 3. 2 times 3 means 6. So now we select our prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2. These all 2 are the prime numbers like as 3. So we can write 384 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is these two, these all two, like this one 2, and at last this 3. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.